Hello everyone. So this is the video for you to see how to download the demo system and how to install the demo system. You're currently looking at the homepage of Tectour CCMS, and there is also a download section. The download section contains a step-by-step guide on how to download the Docker images and how to start them up, and also contains sample data. There's also a box more information with a little license agreement. Please make sure to read this before you download the system. So once you have downloaded the system and unzipped the folder, then you can see the containment, and which is basically the Docker startup file, a README text file, and the unzipped tar file that contains all the containers. This is an export of Docker Desktop. Before you continue, please make sure that Docker Desktop is running. I'm having here a virgin system, so no containers, no images, no volumes. And I'm going to load now the Tectour demo system containers into my Docker installation. If you look at the README, it lists the command that you need to use for this procedure, and just paste it here in the download folder, and then it's going to install this in your Docker desktop. This will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. In the meantime, we can still look at the new homepage. This homepage was generated by AI. I just did little customizations, but 99% of the dark theme and everything was created by AI agents. This lists all the publications that are on my Tectour CCMS service, and if you see here, there is also a new layout and design of my HTML5 format for these books. I have a design mode switch here. I can switch to dark mode, and I was really impressed about these AI agents and how good they are with CSS development. So it took just a couple of minutes to come to this version. And as you can see, this is a comments button. If I click here, I can see, there's a comment. I can open this comment. I can look on the comment summary. I can click on a comment, and then I will switch to this comment here. So this is all very, very well done by AI. And in the demo system will still feature the old layout and design that was created by me by hand. So no artificial enhancements here, but I think this will suffice for your demo purposes. And if you want to customize this to your corporate design, then it is quite easy from my experience to use AI to just rework the CSS that is used here very quickly. But let's see if this loading into Docker Desktop has worked. It has worked, so all containers were loaded into Docker Desktop. If you open Docker Desktop, you should see now the images, the database, the admin interface, the editing interface, and this is a proxy that proxies the requests to the sub-services here. We can now start the system by Docker compose up. This is a command to start up the containers, and as you can see, it starts up very, very quickly, and now the system is up and running. As you can see on the home page, you should go to localhost here, and then you have the system how it was styled before I used AI to rework everything. This is a virgin system, there is nothing in it, and now it's important first that you go to the admin view. Email address is my email address and password is A, and then you log in, and now you're in the admin view. Here, the first thing that you need to do is you need to add a new user, let's say Alex, and just take a strong password here. And confirm the password. passwords didn't match. Let's try this again. And now the user was created, so let's skip this part with more information here. And as you can see, this is a pretty advanced interface and you have a lot of options. There are videos that will explain these options, and I'm also currently writing on a large user documentation. So let's skip this part for now and just go to view site, and now you're on the landing page of the system. You can log into the system using this button here, and you say Alex and your password. And now you are inside the system. It is empty. The first thing you want to do is you want to create a topic here and give it a name. My first topic with some text in it. And maybe you also want to include a warning message, right? So maybe you just want to have a notice here and say, be aware, and yay. So now you created your first topic, and you also need a map, right? You need a guitar map, and this is called my map. And then you can reference the topic that you just created and save the map. You may also want to create a task here, my task, and that is a bit more complex structure, right? So you have a context dialog where you can create the different elements here, and right, and some results, and also save the task. And then you can open your map again and edit the task here. So this is drag and drop. If you are not happy with your structure, you can just just rearrange everything and save again. And once that is saved, then it's ready to be published with the publish dialog here, or it's also ready to be reviewed with the reviewer dialog here. So you can drag and drop users, switch it to review, and once this is in review, then you can see you have here this little bubbles, and you can add comments to it. And these comments, they feature a workflow. I've also made a video about this. Just look at the documentation section, and then you have your comment edit. And once this is done, you can publish everything, and now the PDF gets created, the HTML formats gets created, the data format is getting created, and now you're ready to go. So as you can see, even the PDF was created here with yeah and with the step result, and the second chapter is here with the step result. Right. Another test is to basically download here the sample data. So I downloaded it here now. It's in the download folder. And this sample data can be used to import it in the system. So you would just select this and click import, and then everything gets imported. It gets very quickly imported, as you can see, and it will be imported into the database. So let's just look at the admin view again for the system administrator. So it was password A. No. Oh, it was Alex, and the password is I'm here on my production service, right? So I need to go to localhost admin, and now I'm here. And as you can see, we imported a lot of topics, and for example, you can open this one, and then you have the XML in clear text. You can add tags and validities and assign workflow steps. So this will all be described in the user documentation. But let's go back. So you imported the user manual. The first thing you need to do a change here, because only when you do a change, then you have these layout options, and the layout options let you again publish. You have different options here, but the layout option lets you now publish this XML book. And now again, the PDF is going to get created, the HTML formats are going to get created, and I'm starting up now Oxygen in the background or in the foreground. Now everything was already created, as you can see here. We are on localhost. This is a publication that you just imported and created. The PDF was created, so you have a nice PDF with margin layout and a lot of features, like for example the back of the book index, and sorting works for even for Asian languages. So there are a lot of features under the hood, a lot of expensive features actually under the hood that come with this demo system. And you also have the possibilities to download the DITA. I'm doing this now, and let's see if it was downloaded here. Let's extract this, and this is the DITA, and the DITA will open up in Oxygen. So let's open this one up, and as you can see here, it is a really nice DITA formatted book, right? That opens up in Oxygen. It complies to the DITA format. There are no errors, right? So you can continue working with your favorite DITA editor when you export these things. Yeah, so that's basically it. I think for the first test of the demo system. If you need any more information, then please don't hesitate to contact me. I will be very happy to show you all of its features. But as a first start, you can also look at the homepage. Thank you very much, and have fun getting this demo up and running. Bye.